video. Yeah.
As soon as they started shooting off the finale, I went back towards the car though.
Yeah.
So did the bathtub went over and saw Wilson Park? The bathtub went over and saw Wilson Park?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it anyway.
She has a baby.
So does Ashley.
Yeah, but Liz was past tense. Yeah.
The last time we went out. 'Cause we've been like seeing each other again for like 4 days. It's just like, oh, we have sex, we have sex. No.
I'm sorry, I don't feel like it.
See, I don't know, it's kind of different now though, because the first time we went out, I fucked her over. The
Yeah.
last time she fucked me over, so now we're kind of even.
Kind of like, haha.
They say third time's the charm.
What? What?
Why do I always do this to myself?
Stop thinking about it.
I won't.
She's just a girl.
She's like the first person that I ever actually liked.
Yeah.
Out of 2 people, so.
You can't see fireworks.
I was working tomorrow night too. That sucks. I should bring in some fireworks up to the jail tomorrow night. So setting them off in the parking lot.
It's Chip!
Hi, Ralph.
What's up, Ralphie?
Wait, you here?
Yeah, I think so.
Hold on.
Hey. Oh, you're gonna have to go over. Alright, I was just gonna see if you were gonna stop by and talk to you. Alright, talk to you tomorrow. Alright, bye.
You got a camera.
Oh god.
You're in my way, Ralph.
I'm stealing it if you're sorry.
That's fine. Yeah, it's mine.